Howdy folks, it's Handsome, and today, your boy might get in trouble. But before we get into that, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let's keep it going. What we have here is a rare sighting of a company that refuses to give parts to independent repair technicians. We have been fighting with the Right to Repair Act to stop companies like this. So I'm really happy I get to shine light on this. I will actually be dropping a whole lot more information on the right to repair with my fellow repair technicians from SPT and just everybody fighting for the right to repair. It's not only camera repair technicians, it is lawnmower, tractor, all small, all independent repair places that repair things, mechanics, every type of repair outside of the manufacturer have been fighting for the Right to Repair Act for the past probably since repairing became a thing. But I have to shine a light on this Tamron company because they refuse to give parts, diagrams, anything related to their cameras, even a freaking screw. Then they have the audacity at conventions to come up to me and ask why I don't have Tamron on my channel. You don't give parts. Why would I put you on my channel? But I'm able to shine some light on this company. And to be real with you, their lenses are built like shit. They're built horrible, as you're about to see. And that's probably why they don't sell the parts, because their stuff's so crappy, they don't even repair it. They probably just replace it and send it back, because this probably cost them $200 to make, because it is straight plastic and just trash. Sorry I went on the rampage there, but y'all need to know, because these lenses are so cheap, you think you're getting a deal, and you're not. To be honest with you, I'd go with Sigma. I'd leave Tamron alone. No. And I'm going to tag Tamron in this, and then I'm going to see him at the next convention I go to. We'll see how that goes. Tamron, the most common issue with this lens is what y'all are about to experience. Now you can see all up in there, particles, 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 particles. I mean, it's just coated with particles. But Handsome, it's supposed to be weather sealed. Yeah, right. About to blow y'all's mind. Hopefully this influences enough people that we just stop buying Tamrons, and then they're like, you know what? We're going to give parts to the repair places. We apologize. In a perfect world, but I don't have that much reach or power. But hopefully some people can hear my pain. My pain. All right, tools. I sell these tools on my website. It's right there. Tamron uses a different type of bit, like a star bit, literally a star bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. They use this specific star bit, thinking no one will be able to get in our lens. Yeah, negative, Tammy. Negative, Tammy. That's a negative, Tammy. But I'll be using a bit. The bit says Torx T5. It's a Rebel T5. I don't know if that means anything, but it is it's a star, just like me. So check it out. I'd say 90% of Tamron lenses all get this. 70 to 200, 150 to 600, all that crap. Constantly people are coming in and they don't like that. Isn't this lens like over $1,000 or something? And they always get tight zooms. all type of stuff. And but we have a lot of particles underneath this front grouped element, and we are about to expose Tamron. All right, we got number 1, number 2, number trays. Take off, boom. So, where is your weather seal? There's literally no weather seal anywhere. There's holes, gaps, boom, boom, big old gap right there. Gap, gap. Oh, well, it's right here. There is no, I mean, you could have put some double stick tape, a piece of rubber. I mean, you could have reached out to Trojan and they gave you some good old rubbers to put right there while you're just sitting here, people. Yeah, so then they got a little bit of glue right there. It's just horrible. Oh, is that the felt right there supposed to be your weather seal? Come on, man. That is a negative, and there's so much room where the felt is supposed to be right there. It's trash. Horrible. Now, we're gonna take another 3 screws out. You do have to be careful with these stupid washers they have too. Yeah, look at that glue. That holds nothing. So, as you can see, let's pull this up there. Shine some light on me. Look at all that crap right there. Can y'all see? Boom, 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 boom. It's everywhere. That was easy. Did I get it all? No. Let's see this side. You don't want to do that right there. You know what I'm talking about? Try not to lose any. Get some branding on this horrible company. What is that right there? I think this is as good as it gets, y'all. Wait, I got a smudge right there. See if I can get that out. All right. Still a smudge. Jeez, Manetti. I hate working with lenses, especially Tamrons. This will probably be the last time you see a Tamron on my channel, and if you do see another Tamron, it has to be something like this because can't get no parts. Like they have legitimately been screwing over repair techs for years. Don't come up to me asking me why I'm not on your channel, why we're not on your channel, and you won't give me parts. All right, we're going in, we're cleaning. It's making me mad. I bet you they shortcut on coating too. Bet you there ain't even no coating on this thing. It's just straight glass. Looks 110% better to me. Let's throw these screws back up in now. I wonder if that's even legal. Just because you put felt there, you could say you have weather seal on there. I'm going to look into that because it could be a class action lawsuit. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave a boy a comment. And if you know about the Right to Repair Act, say something in the comment. Let's blow this thing up and help all independent technicians. We're all fighting for this Right to Repair Act every single day. It matters when people outside of the industry get involved. So the more people I can get involved in this, the better. This was the cleaning of underneath a front grouped element of a Tamron 35 to 150. Don't recommend buying this. Don't recommend buying any Tamrons. A new age Tamron. Help with the Right to Repair Act. If you don't know, look it up. Only thing we can do is pray to the camera gods. Till next time, don't break nothing. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no